Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Gateway employee account. Let's get started. So to log into your Gateway employee account, first of all you have to open your browser, any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Gateway employee login. And after searching for that you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on the second option which says Gateway-employee portal. And from here what you can do is just in order to log into your account you just have to tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Just enter your employee account's email address and password, and then enter the date of birth. After entering the following details, now what you can do is just tap on I'm not a robot and then verify that you are not a robot. So after verifying that you are not a robot, now what you can do is just tap on login, and then you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password you can easily reset or recover your account's password. And after entering the following details you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Gateway employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.